I just wanted to give you guys a realistic example of a building that's actually paying super high commission. So this building right behind me right now, they're paying 150% of the first month's rent. So these apartments in North Austin are actually higher market rent than normal, okay? A 2-2 here runs about $1,800 to $2,200. So if you lease any one single unit at a $2,000 market rent, and if they're paying 150% commission, that is literally a $3,000 commission per unit that you lease, right? And then people are walking around here, they're gonna lease an apartment with or without you. So if you can market your services on free online platforms, help them acquire a very basic living necessity, which is renting an apartment in this market, it's a very, very easy way to make a quick $2,000–$3,000 per transaction. So the business opportunity is real, it's very, very sound, and it's a fantastic way to enter into real estate with a very, very high success rate. 87% of real estate agents that try to make it as a realtor fail. So don't let that be you. Take advantage of this brand new opportunity within real estate known as apartment locating and get in on the action, because there's tons of commission floating around. And there's only a couple thousand of us apartment locators that are even aware of the business model. We're all real estate agents, and no one knows about this business. It's literally right behind me. They're paying $3,000 a unit. So if you guys want to learn more